What's the meaning of box number? Box number. Box number.
Box number. Box number. The term box number generally refers to a unique identifier assigned to a specific mailbox or post office box, typically used for receiving mail. It is often used as a part of an address format in order to ensure accurate delivery of mail and packages. The box number is usually a series of digits or alphanumeric characters that are specific to the post office or mailbox location. In brief, a box number is a way to identify a particular mailbox or post office box within a larger system of mail delivery, ensuring that mail reaches its intended recipient. Something went wrong, please try again later.